All right, we're going out. Got Matthew. We're going fish gigging tonight, aren't we, buddy?
Is this your first adventure for fish gigging?
Yeah. Got Chuck. Ooh. Chuck's back here at the helm. He's going to take us out on the water to a secret location where we're going to find some fish tonight.
Last weekend.
Yeah, Matthew found the fish, so we got to turn the camera off while we go over to this spot, but we'll turn it back on when we get there. Yeah, he said, well, if he's doing it, I'll do it.
Push yourself along.
The gig poles are getting ready. The good news is the moon's already up. Yeah, bull ant got inside my shirt bed over here. Lots of beds, but I'm not seeing Yep, right next to that stick.
That's your hole?
Yep.
Try and go out that way, push back, like this.
Cast up underneath that little palm tree.
And right about here, is where Dad caught a catfish. He decided with his monster hook on to see if he could catch anything, and guess what? He caught a tree and a catfish.
Well, we came back into a little creek here, and we've already seen at least one Nile perch. Two Nile perch. Matthew's telling the fishing stories up here.
Two, because there was that one right there and the one I almost got.
Okay, there you go, Matthew.
You want me to get down on the tree?
Yeah.
If I can get down, I can get any big fish.
Did you see how close Chuck was able to get to that with his gig? Just slowly, just put it in the water and slowly move it over next to him. Flounders are the same way. Flounder, you just about tickle it. I'm actually surprised how murky the water is back here.
Yeah. Well, that's all the way to all these airboats and stuff. Right?
Yeah, everybody coming out.
Everybody coming out. Yes, sir. That's a Nile perch.
All right.
That's what we're looking for.
That's how you do it right there. Where you want them.
Well, you're going to go in that cooler right behind you.
Right.
That's the only one I got.
Fish in. Second time ever shooting a bow at a fish. Now I gotta untangle my line. Got a fish. Boy, made an absolute mess of the line.
Just catch it, Joey.
You see how that fish took off and went like that? When you stick him, that's what he's going to do. He's going to shake that pole, so you're going to have to hold on to that pole.
I think there's still one more fish right here in this area.
Yeah.
Get ready. He's going to go on the other side of that. Took my gig pole.
Oh man.
That's all right. He ain't going nowhere though.
Yep, get that back.
Oh, yes, Dad.
Got it.
Get him, Matthew. Get it, Matthew.
Oh.
There you go. Get it.
Nice job, nice job. Fish number 2 in the boat. That's a good one right there, huh? Ooh, get it in.
Put him
over the boat. There you go.
This thing is really
There you go. Some decent little fish right there. What's that? Those are Nile perch. No, quick, get them again.
Grab that dip net, TJ.
Keep an eye out. You'll get them again here in a second.
It's a hard fish.
Yeah, they're hard.
Once it got hit by you, then it got hit by me. Man, I almost had him.
Yeah, you just about had him. If I would have had this net over here as you were bringing it in, we would have got it.
I was like, when I pulled it out, I was like, oh, I had to get this one in the boat quick because it is not on too good.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think this shoreline right here is hot, man. This is where they're at. Got him? Oh yeah. Oh, he's got him. He got him.
I got him. I went through him.
Got another one in the cooler. Really? That was some cold water. Whew. All right. Well, that's at least 3 in the old cooler. Oh, so close. We're coming out of that little log there.
I missed him. He about jumped in the boat.
There you go. He did just about jump in.
He did. What he did do is hit mine.
Hear that? Right there.
Woo.
Is that a bass?
I think that was a bass. I'm pretty sure that was a bass. Got a mullet.
Any more?
Pretty cool. That's a nice gator right there.
And you know what will tear me? Driving down the road and seeing a boat with a gator in it.
All right, well, we had a pretty doggone awesome time out there, huh, buddy? There goes Mr. Alligator. Yeah, I guess they think that's the alligator that attacked a lady's dog earlier. Took him right off the bank right here where our boat's parked right now. Anyways, that's a pretty good sized gator, and probably too many people down here feeding the darn thing. So we're gonna get the boat loaded up here in a minute and get heading on back into the house. Man, my headlamp's almost dead.
What you jump for, man?
Old gator got you thinking, huh, buddy? That was a pretty good sized gator in the back of that truck, wasn't it?
I knew that gator wasn't no 8 foot.
That was a big old gator right there.
It is?
Still moving, but it wasn't alive.
You said it was dead. How's it still moving, but you said it was dead?
They'll move a long time after you kill them because of the nerves.
Well, Matthew and I had an awesome night last night out there gigging and some fish and doing a little bow fishing. And this morning again, with the sun at our back like normal, we have come over to Blue Springs and we're going to do some snorkeling and some scuba diving and just kind of check things out here. So we're going to continue the video and bring you along. More. All right, well, we had an awesome dive down there, and we're just hanging out up here. David's over cooking on the back of the truck, or starting to, and I'm walking back down here to check out and see what Sam and Matthew are doing. What's that, buddy? There's ants in the lunchbox. Oh, man.
Now I'm naughty.
They're not in the subs. They were just crawling around the lid.
Well, the good thing is ants don't eat a whole lot. So, even if they had started on them, it wouldn't be too bad, right? Alright. Anyways, let's see if, since Matthew's not eating his sub, maybe we'll split it up and have it. How about that? I brought you a blue juice. Straight out of the cooler, man. Oh, man. David's going up to have a darn barbecue.
He's gonna make some pizza.
Pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, you're eating that sub after the ants ate half of it? It looks like they left a little more than half, huh, buddy? Well, it looks like it's still pretty tasty. That's good.
Want your sub?
My sub? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you know I want mine.
We got another half.
You have another half.
Is there mayonnaise on it?
Nope. Here's your mayonnaise, lettuce, and pickles.
Ooh, mayonnaise, lettuce, and pickles in a bag. Mm-hmm. Now that is how you make a sandwich. Look at that. Got the chips on there. Subway. I don't know. Subway chicken with chips. What you got over there?
I got Subway turkey, cheese, and chips.
He's got that Subway turkey, cheese, and chips on his. Man, it don't get no better than that, does it, brother? Mm-mm. All right, let's see what we got going on up here. Let's see. David's got the Blackstone set up in the parking lot.
You know it.
We got some pizza.
Wraps.
Got some wraps.
Tea going.
Man.
We're bringing this pizza down for you guys to try.
It looks good.
It's good.
Go.
No.
All right, so we're gonna go back in that water one more time. We're not gonna bring the camera this time. We got plenty of underwater footage. We saw manatees, we saw this guy, we saw her and lots of other people swimming around. So we're gonna leave the camera up here in the car and do a little more scuba diving. So we will be back in a little bit. You planning on being back?
Yep.
Cool. Alright, so something super cool and unexpected happened today while we were scuba diving. Matthew got to join a special class for Discover Diving, and he got to go underwater on the self-contained underwater breathing apparatus for the first time. So that was awesome that they happened to be holding a class while we were down here. How'd you like it, buddy?
Good.
Yeah? You want to get into diving now? You really like that, huh?
Yeah. And during the class, I found a ring.
Yes, he did. He found a silver ring while he was down there. That was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome opportunity. All right. All right, man. I don't know about you, brother, but I had a lot of fun.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, that was pretty doggone cool. Really cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Blue Springs. Blue Springs. I haven't been here in a long time. And apparently I was missing out on like this awesome opportunity right here in our own backyard. $6 to get in for a whole car full of people. Man, it is 98 degrees as we're leaving here right now. It's so hot in this car. The air outside feels pretty good, but I'm still cool from swimming. How about you?
Yeah.
That's good. Still pretty cool. Well, I won't lie. I was pretty much ready to go home. And here we are at the racetrack at Swirl World. And we stopped to get some swirls, so we're going to try this out real quick before we go home. This is one of those things that Mama don't need to know about unless she likes and subscribes to all of our videos. This will just be one of our little secrets on it. We got cookie doughs, we got dots, we got everything on this.
Yep, and it's actually nice. Use it one of your places in. Get every topping you want. We got chocolate pretzels, cherries, nuts, chocolate chips.
Oh yeah. It's got a little bit of everything. These chocolate chip chunks are huge. This is a good way to end a good day. Don't you think? Now, this is actually my first time going to Swirl World, and I must say, I get why people go there now. Alright, well, we really appreciate you watching our videos. We hope that you like them. We hope that you remember to hit that subscribe button. That's really important. And yeah, so hopefully you'll join us for another one again sometime soon. And thanks for watching.